Good morning, children. Good morning to one and all. Today we are going to see the lesson Arjun. It is written by Mahashweta Devi, a famous Bengali writer. She is not only a writer, fiction writer, but she is also a human rights activist. And all through her life, she worked for the upliftment of the tribes in Bengal and Bihar. She wrote many novels and short stories based on her fieldwork, the tribal belt in Bengali. And later they are translated into English language. And her famous works includes Hazar Chaurasiyama, Mother of 1084. It is about a person who turned into Naxalite and suffered a lot, who fought for the welfare of the society against the government, and it is a story of a mother of a Naxal. And Aranya Adhikar, one more book written by Mahashweta Devi is Aranya Adhikar. It is right to the forest. Earlier, the right on the forest is solely of the tribal people. Now, after few days, this right has been taken up by the government, and the tribals are have lost their right on the forest. In this, she tells about the tribal people who solely belong or solely depend on the forest for their survival. And the other writings are Titu Mer and Rudali. Titu Mer is a biography of a leader freedom fighter who fought for in the struggle of independence. And Rudali is one more story in which in the certain areas there are high class peoples who won't weep on the death of the person in their family. They used to hire some people of the low caste for weeping itself. Rudali is one such a story of a woman who was hired for weeping on the deaths of the people in the higher community, and she could not weep full-heartedly on the death of her husband. And these are the some of her famous writings. And in addition to them, many of the writings of Mahashweta Devi are depicting the lives of the tribal people and their living conditions. And Mahashweta Devi has won Sahitya Akademi Award, and she was honored with Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan Award from the Government of India, and Gnanapith Award also, and Raman Magsaysay Award for her activist work among the tribal communities from Philippines government. And our lesson Arjun is one of her writings, and it is a story related to the global world we live in now. Mahashweta Devi is probably the most famous writer. She has dedicated her entire life to the tribal people. It highlights the insensitivity of modern man towards the forest and tribals. It portrays the role that a tree plays in the life of the tribes. The story revolves around Arjun, a tree sacred to the sharpest tribe who were once the dwellers. Arjun is the manifestation of the divine for its medicinal properties, and it is the only survival relic of the Bandihi jungle from the Jamindari era. Sharpers believe that it has guarded and protected them since time immemorial, from long back, which the time is not determined. They go around it beating their dol damsas during festivals and weddings. Whenever a certain occasion, auspicious occasion is there in their life, they used to go to the tree and offer prayers to it. And It is a mute symbol of their existence. And the hero of our story is Ketu Shaba. Ketu Shaba actually he is a tribal youth from Purulia. He works in the fields of Bishal Mahoto. And coming to the story, before coming to the story, we'll see the main characters of the story. The main characters of the story are Ketu Shaba. He is one of the person of the tribal youth of Purulia area. And Bishal Mahoto is a landlord of that area. And Ram Hallar is the sawmill owner of that area. And these two, Ram Hallar and Bishal Mahoto, are the two deities of that area. And the people who live in that area has to obey their orders, or else they will have to obtain some punishments from them. Bishal Mahoto is a landlord and he orders Ketu to cut the jungles for his paddy crops. As it is a crime to cut down the trees in the jungle, Ketu had been sent to jail several times. His master Bishal Mahoto collected the profits from the felled trees. Ketu does not ever question his predicament. He feels that it is his duty to serve his master. And Ram Hallar is one more person who belongs to the same area, and he is also exploit the people in the other way. Bishal Mahoto exploit the people in one way, and Ram Hallar exploit the people in another way. But their both intention is same, and both belongs to different parties. Ram Hallar and Bishal Mahoto were leaders belong to different parties of that area, but their intention is common in cheating the tribes. Due to the selfish motives and illegal operations found making use of the services of Shaba and other innocent tribal people of the region. They were sent to jail frequently due to their forceful involvement in various illegal activities. If one Shabar is in jail, the landlords will find another Ketu for cutting the trees for their paddy crops. Means they have the tribal people who live area in that area has to obey their orders. If not, they will have to leave that area. One day, Bishal Mahoto orders Ketu to cut down the Arjun tree. But the tribal people in that area treat it as a manifestation of the divine. It has some divine properties and it is treated as goddess of that tribe. And during festivals and weddings, the local people go around the Arjun tree beating their dole damsas. And after a certain wish has been granted, the tribe sacrifice their hair and bury it under the tree for good luck. So Ketu's mind goes blank as he is not ready to cut down the tree. But Bishal Mahoto is decided to cut down the tree at any cost. Ketu is in trouble and he don't know what to do at that time and goes to consult his friends to find a solution, whether they can find a solution to protect or save this Arjun tree. He decides to involve all the tribes. The tribal people other than the Shabas, the Santals, Kedia, Shoshish and Bhumji are the other tribes who live in that area. And he decided to involve all the other tribes also in this matter. So as he do not want to take the blame of cutting the goddess of the tribes on his own. And he don't want to cut it also at any cost. He wanted to protect it. That's why he is thinking of protecting it. That's why he went to his friends to have a solution to save the tree. All gathered, all the four friends, one more thing I forgot to tell. Here, Ketu has three more friends. They are Diga, Pitambar and Banarmali. And all the three friends assemble in one area and they were thinking of protecting the tree. And all gather under the Arjun tree and recollect their experiences with it. Their lives are linked with it. They offer prayers before going on hunting journey. They sketch a plan and decide to execute it before Bishal Mahoto's arrival from the town. When Bishal Mohoto returns from the town, he observes a huge crowd dancing around the Arjun tree to tune the drums. And before that, they sketch a plan to save the tree. All the four friends meet at a place in the evening, and they decided they wanted to find a solution to save the Arjun tree. And they recollect all their experiences which they have, which are associated with the Arjun tree. And Diga tells about its medicinal value, which are told by his grandfather. And they recollect all their experiences which are assembled, which are associated with that Arjun tree. And among the four friends, Diga is considered to be a clever person among them, because he is the one person who was sent to the jails beyond their local area. See, remaining all the tribal peoples are sent to the local jail. That is the present in that village. But this Diga is the person who was sent to the jail which is beyond their village. Means in the municipal areas or in the town also. That's why he is considered as clever person who is having more knowledge among them. And one more thing, we have a detail of Diga is he is the person who went to informal education for 4 days. And remaining all the people in that area don't have the knowledge of alphabet also. But this Diga is the person who knows alphabet from A to Z. You know what is A and what is Z. And that's why he is considered as clever among them. That's why they wanted a solution from him. And as per their expectations, Diga hatched a plan and told that before Bishal Mohoto starts to the town, Bishal Mohoto orders our Ketu and he starts from town to attend a political meeting as it is the election time. And as the Diga told him that we will go to Bishal Mohoto before he leaves for the town and ask him for some money. And all the four people goes to Bishal Mohoto, and Bishal Mohoto before going to town meets them. At the time, our Ketu Shabar asked him for some money because it is not possible to cut the tree himself alone. He wanted to take the support of other people. He wanted some more money to give to them. That's why they asked him some money. And earlier when they asked for money, Bishal Mohoto is not ready to give the money on the instant. But now on asking him, he immediately gives them some money. And he was astonished. Ketu Shagar was astonished to see that his master is giving money on his asking. And Diga took the money from Bishal Mohoto and they started. And when Bishal Mohoto returns from the town, he observes huge crowd dancing around the Arjun tree to the tune of drums. The tree trunk is covered with garlands. And before going to the town, he calls to Ram Haldar and arrange a truck to clear the felled tree, which is cut by these tribal people. And Ram Haldar comes to the place to gather the wood. But he stands there at the perimeter of the crowd and he sees that Bishal Mohoto is coming from a long distance. And it tells that Bishal Mohoto, that Diga had a dream in which Bishal Mohoto had given some money to build a concrete base around the trunk of it. So that it followed Bishop Moto's orders, because it is the orders of Bishop Moto, whether it is in the dream or live. They followed the orders of Bishop Moto, which were given in his dream also, and consider the Arjun tree as village deity or Brahma Devata. And on the instructions given by Bishal Mahoto in the dream of Digha, they followed the orders of Bishal Mahoto and constructed a concrete base around the trunk of the tree. And Arjun tree as a village deity or Brahma Devata, all the tribes gathered around the tree with their offerings and organized a mela. Here, though Ketu was apathetic to politics and politicians, but Arjun tree is so near and dear to him. It wakes him from the stupor, and along with his friends, he undermines Bishal Mahoto's plans. Overnight, he reinvents himself as an empowered Shaba. To save the Arjun tree, the tribals ought to be clever like Ketu and his friends. The story brings to the tone the hypocrisy of the politicians. Politicians run campaigns to save forest, but in reality, they themselves arrange to vandalize the forest. And this is the story of our Ketu Shapa, in which he protects the Arjun tree with his cleverness. And this is not of his cleverness, but he has taken the support of his friends. And all the people who are there have protected their only surviving relic of the Bandihi jungle from the Jamindari era, and they protected it. And this is the story of Mahashweta Devi, in which she depicts the life of a tribal people and how the landlords or the politicians exploit them. Thank you. Tomorrow we will meet again. Before concluding, we will see the PPTs of our lesson Arjun. I'm going to share the screen. Now you will see. Wait for a minute. Oh. This is the story of Arjun, and don't think Arjun is the name of a person, it is the name of a tree. And this is written by a famous Bengali writer, Mahashweta Devi. Her name was Mahashweta Bhattacharya. Wait. Now we will see the PPT of Arjun lesson. Now can you see it? One. Okay. This is the story Arjun, written by Mahashweta Devi. She is a famous Bengali writer, and her original name is Mahashweta Bhattacharya, but famous with the name of Mahashweta Devi. She was born on January 14, 1928, and she died recently on July 28, 2016. And see, this is her photo. And about the author, Mahashweta Bhattacharya was popularly known as Mahashweta Devi. She was born on January 14, 1926 and died on 28 July 2016. She was a social activist and fiction writer. She worked for the upliftment of the tribes in Bengal and Bihar. and her concern is for the liberation of downtrodden people, and she protested against caste, community and gender exploitation which are there in our community. And her famous writings are, she has written more than 100 novels and short stories, and among them the famous writings are Hazrat Chaurasiyama, Aranya Adhikar, Titomir, Rodali. And her first book, coming to her first book, she has written her first book, Jhansi Rani, and it was a biography of Rani Jhansi Lakshmibai of Jhansi. And before writing this story or the biography, she has done a lot of field work and she has written it. And the awards received by her are Sahitya Academy Award in the year 1979 for her book Aranya Adhikar. And she has received the Grand Jnanpith Award in the year 1996. And she has received Raman Magsaysay Award in the year 1997 from Government of Philippines. And she has received Padma Shri Award in the year 1986 from the Government of India. And she has received one more award, Padma Vibhushan, in the year 2006 for her social activist work. And coming to the story, this is a story of in which Shabas, the tribes of Purulia, saved the Arjun tree, which is considered as a manifestation of the divine. The main characters of the story are, as we have discussed, Ketu Shabar. He is one of the tribal youth and who works for the Bishal Mahota. And the two other important characters in the story are Bishal Mahota and Ram Hallar. Bishal Mahota is a landlord and a political leader, and Ram Hallar is a sawmill owner in that area. Both are friends, but they behave like rivals in the view of the tribal people in that area. To cheat them as that one is not against to the other, and they belong to the rival parties. They belong to the rival political parties, but their common intention is to cheat the people in that area. They wanted to gain money exploiting the tribal people. And here the names of the Ketu's friends are Diga, Pitambar and Banarmali, who are assembled at one place and they tried to save the tree. They planned to save the Arjun tree. And Ketu Shabar is the tribal youth from Purulia. Bishal Mahota is a landlord and a political leader, as we have said now. Ram Hallar is a sawmill owner. And Arjun tree is considered as a manifestation of the divine. It is the only surviving relic of Bandhi jungle. And the other tribes in that area are Santal, Kedia, Shoshish, and Bhumji. And one day, Ketu Shabar was confronted with Bishal Mahota, and Bishal Mahota orders him to cut down the Arjun tree. But Arjun tree is considered as a manifestation of a divine by the tribals of that area. And he don't want to cut down the Arjun tree, and he didn't have any other source of saying no to this master. If he say no, he'll be sent to jail. If he cut the tree also, he will go to jail, as it is a crime in terms of the government. But if he didn't cut the tree also, Bishal Mahota will send him to jail, or one reason or the other. So he wanted to save the Arjun tree, and he don't want to blame himself with the tribes. And finally, with the help of his friends, he hatched a plan and protected the Arjun tree. And this shows how important is Arjun tree in their life. And to protect the Arjun tree, they have hatched a plan and they have cheated. The earlier Bishal Mahota and Ram Hallar were thinking that they are the clever persons and they can cheat anyone. But finally, at the end of the story, Ketu Shabar protected the Arjun tree by cheating these two prominent leaders of that area, Bishal Mahota and Ram Hallar. They thought that all the tribal people are foolish and obey their orders. But this Ketu Shabar and his friends made these two people foolish and told that on the words of the Bishal Mohata only, they have protected and constructed a concrete base on that area and they are celebrating this fair. In this way, they protect the Arjun tree, which is the only surviving relic of that area. Tomorrow, we'll be seeing another topic. Thank you. What to do? Stop.